Assalamu alaikum. Hosneara Alo. The wetland ecosystem of Bangladesh. So first, we have to know what is the wetland. And wetland is a distinct ecosystem that is flooded by water, either permanently or seasonally, where oxygen-free process prevail. The primary factor that distinguishes wetland from other lands forms of water bodies is the characteristic vegetation of aquatic plants adapted to the unique hydric soil. Wetlands have some functions and values. If we first discuss about what is the functions of wetlands, then wetlands play a number of functions, including water purification, water storage, processing of carbon and other nutrients, stabilization of shorelines, and support of plants and animals. Wetlands are also considered the most biologically diverse of all ecosystems, serving as a home to a wide range of plant and animal life. Any individual wetland performs this function, and the degree to which it performs depends on characteristics of that wetlands and the lands and water near it. And if we say why are wetlands important, wetlands are important features in the landscape that provide numerous beneficial service for people and for fish and wildlife, protecting and improving water quality, providing fish and wildlife habitats, storing floodwater, and maintaining surface water flow during dry periods. And the values of wetlands in Bangladesh is wetlands are the most productive ecosystem, and countless species of plants and animals depends on them for survival. Then fishes from wetlands provide the main source of protein for the people of Bangladesh, and rice cultivation in wetlands is the main food in Bangladesh. And wetlands provides the important ecological functions, socio-economic service and products. And wetlands have a lot of benefits. If we see how wetlands are benefited for the human, obviously wetlands provide values that no other ecosystem can. This includes natural water quality improvement, flood protection, shoreline erosion control, opportunities for recreation and aesthetic appreciation, and natural products for our use at no cost. Protecting wetlands can protect our safety and welfare. And wetlands act as the nature's kidneys by removing polluting nutrients and sediments from surface and groundwater. By protecting water quality, wetlands keep our lakes, streams, and ground healthy. That are important to the integrity of aquatic ecosystem. And if we see the distribution of wetlands in Bangladesh, Bangladesh is estimated to have 7 to 8 million hectares of wetlands in form of permanent rivers and streams, estuaries, and mangrove swamps, shallow lakes and marshes, large reservoirs and ponds and lakes, and so on. And approximately it covers 50% of the land area of Bangladesh. And wetlands can be broadly classified into freshwater wetlands, saltwater wetlands, and man-made wetlands. And if we say what is a freshwater or which are the freshwater wetlands, then obviously these are the haors, the bows, teals, and the bills, etc. And saltwater is marine, estuary, and so on. And the example of man-made wetlands is the we can say is the Kaptai Lake, which is a man-made wetland. No, wetlands have a great benefit on biodiversity, environment, economic, social, and social aspects. If we see what are the benefits on biodiversity, obviously wetlands contain very rich components of biodiversity of local national and regional significance. Among the estimated lots of species of flowering plants and it benefit on economic to gain. Obviously, wetlands is used for tourism and recreation, settlement places, help in research and education, uniqueness, cultural heritage value, aesthetic values have a aesthetic value, heritage value, and place of education and amusement, fostering of beneficial rural urban links and transformation and empowerment of core user groups as resource managers and Dhaka is one of the largest cities in the world regarding its population density and has developed its infrastructure without considering the adequate drainage system as well as conserve wetland for future. Some of the other wetlands restoration or conservation projects, the government and the other donors and international donors and partners are helping the government of Bangladesh to preserve wetlands. And if we say the Hale Haur, which is one of the largest overexploited wetlands of Bangladesh, situated in Moulobibazar district. This Haur is considered as wastelands. Many wetlands were drained out for agricultural production. Existing wetlands continue to be under threat and have silted up. So the Bangladesh government and USAID initiated a project in 1998 process. Some parts of the Hakaluki Haur were included in the ACMP community-based Haur Resource Management Program in July 2001. This Haur is a complex system of more than 80 interconnecting fish bills in a shallow basin. It is largest tower in Bangladesh, having great economic as well as ecological significance. And so the ACMP project implementation is the help to restore the wetlands and helps to play a vital role for the livelihood of the local people and the species, birds, and the other animals. And some of the bills which are the important of to the local economy and ecology for a number of reasons, such as the Cholon bill, which is is the major source for the which helps to contribute in the economic gain, and this is this bills is the government has taken a project to conserve these bills are expected in an unmanner way, and people so it's important to reserve or conserve the wetlands for the benefit for our environment to keep our environment healthy or safe. Now in 2013, USAID officially launched a new program called CREL, or Climate Resilient Ecosystem and Livelihood Program, where they have a goal to protect the Bangladesh wetlands and forests. So we protect Bangladesh wetlands through management of them. They will be living through this with this plan by managing about 25 of a total of 35 Bangladesh wetlands and forests. To successfully achieve these goals, goals or to attain the objectives, an important part of the CREL program is to integrate sustainability practice and measures into the communities and landscapes so that the biodiversity of the areas will not be negatively affected. And so climate change will not matter as much in the following future years. So last week, I can say that the benefits that are threatened as wetlands, drained, trees and field embankment are built, water supplies are diverted, and coastal wetlands are converted to aquaculture. This happens because some people have viewed the eliminating wetlands as a small price for benefits expected from the wetlands conversion. The degradation and loss of wetlands in Bangladesh are increasing, and the national perspective is imperative for the conservation and sustainable management of the wetlands to stop further degradation and ensure sustainable management of these wetlands. The quality and coverage of institutional arrangement need to be sustainably improved.